Hi guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video I will show you the easiest way how you could enable the Windows 11 virtual machine platform. To begin, go to your search bar and type turn Windows feature on or off and click on it to open. Wait for this window to open for you, and as a next step you want to select virtual machine platform. Click on the little box next to it to be ticked and click OK. Make sure that you are connected to the internet and Windows will start downloading the required files. This operation will usually take between 1 to 4 minutes to download and install the required files, and after that you will be asked to restart your computer, and once done this option should be working for you. If you are still facing any issues or problems with this, you can always leave us a comment with the error code or the error that you are facing, and we'll do our best to help you. Thank you guys for watching and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.